today we'll talk about how can you enable group message notifications on your Clapper app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. So you just switch into open video like this here. Click here on in-app notifications. You come here to group message. You just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean group message enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.